This is dried red pepper that comes in a package at Alibaba, and it is strung on a string, and the red peppers are then taken off the string, and then they're going to be probably hydrated and stuffed.
That's right.
Now these are dried eggplants, and they've also been strung, and they are taken off of the string, and they're going to be hydrated, and then they're going to be stuffed. And this is a very traditional Turkish dish, and it's quite a specialty. We are going to add the dried eggplant and red pepper into boiling water where it will hydrate. Give it a little stir and let it simmer. Now gently stir your dried red peppers and eggplants.
Yeter bile hazırlanana kadar
Some of them and test and see if they are ready. Good?
Patlıcanlar önemli aslında. Patlıcan iyi değil mi? Tamam.
After you grate the onions, you want to squeeze out the excess liquid. This is to stuff the dolma for the vegetables. So we already have rice, we've got the grated onion, and we have the chopped parsley, we've got our minced garlic, our onion, and now we're adding our ingredients. This is a vegetarian dish, the stuffed vegetables, also known as dolma. Add your tomato paste to the mixture, and of course the pepper paste. Equal amounts.
Yeah. Two.
And stir it well. We're adding some red pepper flakes
Birazcık.
or Aleppo pepper and pomegranate syrup or pomegranate molasses. Adding some sumac,
Yeter.
and this gives it a tangy taste.
Tuz.
Some salt,
Yeter. Salt.
oil to the mixture. Some olive oil. We already added some corn or vegetable oil previously.
Şu
Mix
sapına
it well.
koyarsan sapı biraz uzun kalmış. Neyse karıştırdık.
You can also add ground beef if you wanted to. That's optional, but we're doing a vegetarian version today. Adding some dried mint to the mixture. This gives it a really nice flavor.
Onu mıncıklaman lazım.
And today we have homegrown basil that's been dried, and we're going to use that in our recipe too. From Chidem's garden. It's time to stuff our dolmas, and what we do is we line the pan with sliced onions at the bottom of the pot. The next thing is we take each of the dried eggplants or bell pepper, and we are filling it with the mixture. Leave a little room at the top, fold it over like an envelope, and gently place it in the pot. Only fill your pepper halfway so that you have enough space to fold it like a little lid on an envelope, and the filling will not come out. Buy these dried eggplants and peppers at Alibaba. They come about 25 in a package, and they're $5. And notice how Chidem is overlapping the dried eggplants to keep the filling sealed within the little cup area, so the filling will stay while it's being cooked. And she's also just filling it halfway.
Şimdi hepsini azar azar koyup buraya koyacağım. Kalanı paylaştıracağım. Hepsine yetsin diye. Anladın mı? Evet. Mantıklı. Biberlerin ağzı açılmıyor ya. Şöyle koyayım. Hepsine paylaştırayım. Kalanına da üstlerine kor.
One important tip and secret is to take a plate and put it down on top of the stuffed dolma, the vegetables. Usually in Turkey they would use stones, but the weight will keep everything from opening and it will keep it nicely sealed while it's cooking. Nice tip. Adding a little bit of olive oil to the stuffed dolma, and the reason for this is not just flavor, but it keeps them soft and it will make them glossy. That's another little secret tip we learned today. And then she puts her plate back on to keep them covered and pouring boiled water into the pot. And let's see how high the water goes. Trying to see. It doesn't quite cover it, but it looks like it comes to about the top of the dolma. Now you're going to cover your dolma and leave it covered while it cooks, and it will cook for about 45 to 50 minutes.